In this video, we are going to discuss about top 6 best programming languages for AI. If you are new to this channel, let me give you a little description about this channel. This channel basically helps you to understand the concepts of AI, ML, DL and data science and motivates you to these fields. So, if you are interested in these topics, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Selecting a programming language to kickstart your journey in AI depends on various factors like complexity in understanding that language, present demand of the programming language, your prior knowledge to a particular programming language, and which domain you are focusing in AI. Let's say you are focusing on ML, natural language processing, etc. So, in order to figure out which is best for you, we came up with this video to help you out. So, without any delay, let's dive right into the video. Because of its simplicity and massive libraries, Python is by far the most popular programming language used in artificial intelligence. Python is very encouraging for machine learning developers as it is less complex as compared to C++ and Java. It uses English keywords and it's designed to be readable. It has only a few keywords and has a clearly defined syntax. Irrespective of your prior programming knowledge, you will pick up the language quickly. Python supports multiple orientation styles including functional, object-oriented and procedural. There are plenty of libraries in Python which make our task easier like NumPy, scikit-learn, etc. See, libraries are also one of the important factors in choosing the language. So, remember this point before choosing. Python also supports interpretive without standard compiling programming languages, which helps in prototyping algorithms for AI and ML. But it has some disadvantages, include its lack of speed compared to some of the other languages like Java, C++. Python is not suitable for mobile apps development and it is not a good choice for games development. R programming language. R is an interpreted and dynamically typed programming language. It is one of the best programming languages for analyzing and controlling the data for statistical purposes. R can easily produce well-designed publication quality plot, including mathematical symbols and formulae where needed. The most common uses of R are for data analysis, big data modeling, and data visualization. R's abundance of package sets and variety of materials make it easy to work with on data-centric tasks. R have numerous packages like RODBC, Gmodels, Class, and TM, which are used in the field of machine learning. Topmost companies like Google, Uber uses R for data analyzing, big data modeling, and visualization. The disadvantages of R includes its excess use of memory, lack of basic security, and the fact that it is rooted in an older programming language S. Java. It is one of the best choices of AI programming. Because of its virtual machine technology, it's easy to implement on different platforms. Java provides many benefits like package services, simplified work with large-scale projects, easy use, debugging ease, etc. It also has the abstract of Swing and SWT. These tools make graphics and interfaces look sleek and modern. Java is supported by a well-established community and has a myriad of open-source libraries. Java is versatile and can be used to robot systems, sensors, and machine learning suites. The disadvantages of Java include its lack of performance speed compared to other languages and the inefficient use of memory that comes with running on top of the Java virtual machine. These two shortcomings generally result in a third, the increased cost of hardware. Lisp. Lisp is the second oldest programming language after Fortran. It was developed by John McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence. Lisp is a very flexible AI programming language and is often called the most intelligent way to misuse a computer. Lisp is most efficient in solving specifics. It adapts to the solution that the programmer is writing for, which makes it different from other AI languages. Lisp is a group of languages of which the most famous languages are Clojure and Common Lisp, and it had a lot of influence in development of Python and JavaScript languages. Lisp has a unique macro system which facilitates exploration and implementation of different levels of intellectual intelligence. Drawbacks. Few developers are well acquainted with Lisp programming. Being a vintage programming language, Lisp requires configuration of new software and hardware to accommodate its use. There is a lack of well-known libraries and a weird syntax that doesn't attract many people. JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level interpreted, the client-side programming language for web applications. It is a simple programming language and it is easy to learn basics. It requires a lot of attention to learning. Sometimes it is difficult for beginners to understand the context of work. JavaScript with Node.js makes this language extraordinary for web development as a result of full-stack features. Since JavaScript is progressively developing and subsequently improving, it is used in data science and machine learning. When we talk about ML in JavaScript, I first need to refer Dialogflow. Dialogflow makes it simple to make and prepare human-computer interaction. With Dialogflow and Node.js, you can rapidly create voice or text chatbots in messengers. JavaScript has another library named TensorFlow, which is currently one of the most well-known ML development and trainer libraries. Prolog. Prolog is another AI programming language and is one of the oldest ones. It stands for Programming in Logic. The language is based on a few basic mechanisms like pattern matching and automatic backtracking. The programmer has to specify the rules and the facts and the end goal. After the programmer has done that, Prolog will try to find a connection between those three. It's really easy to build databases and pattern matching is also easy. It also has list handling built in. Prolog has been utilized for master frameworks, term rewriting, hypothesis demonstration, just as its unique proposed field of use natural language processing. That's it. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, feel free to leave your doubts in the comments below. And if you like this video, please leave us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more updates like this.